How to fix Snapchat camera problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat camera problem. So guys, I will show you how to fix the problem. Let's go to the mobile settings, your phone settings. Where is the phone settings? Just go to your phone settings and then scroll down, and you have to go to install apps or app management. I have app management, so I will go to app management. So now guys, you have to search for camera, your phone camera. Here is it. Click on phone camera and you can see here force stop. Just click on force stop and press OK. Like, you have to stop the force here, and then again you have to click on storage uses and you have to clear all the data here. Clear all the data, go back, and then you can see here permission. Just click on permission and allow all the permission here. If it is unallowed, you have to allow all the permission here. So now go back and search for Snapchat here. Snapchat is here, so go to Snapchat and then do the same. Just stop the force here and then go to storage. You have to clear all the cache here, and then you have to allow all the permission here, especially the camera permission. You have to allow this, and then restart your phone and reopen the application. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.